Hello there and welcome to EXT37 Mono. Today we've got a Nintendo Switch that needs some repair. The right hand side Joycon controller doesn't work and won't connect to the Nintendo Switch main unit itself. I'm not sure if it's corrosion or whether there's a faulty pin or cable or who knows. What I'm going to do is I'm going to disassemble the Joy-Con first and then have a look at the Switch itself and see if we can work out what's causing the problem. So let's get started. Okay, so today we've got the repair of a Nintendo Switch. We have got a Nintendo Switch that does turn on, I believe, yeah. However, there's no life out of the right-hand Joy-Con. There is life coming from the left-hand side. And if you look really closely, you can see in the icon in the bottom left-hand corner that the Joy-Con doesn't seem to be connecting. Now, the Joy-Con itself actually connects with some very small pins just underneath the bottom. If you look very closely, you can see that there are some pins hiding down there, and they connect into pins on the Switch itself. So the first thing to check is whether there's any physical damage to those pins, and I can't see any. They look where they should be. The next step will just be to clean the contacts, put some IPA on there, and just see if that's whether it's a case of just a bit of corrosion's caused the pins to make bad contact. We'll grab some IPA and we'll see what happens. Okay, so we've got some cotton buds, we've got some IPA. Let's see if we can just clean up those contacts. I think we'll just drip it in there because I can't actually get down in there. Okay, doesn't seem like we're getting anything still. We might take this Joy-Con apart and just see if there's any contacts that have got damaged in there, and we'll test it in there as well. So, time to get the tools out. Again, we've got some activity going on there. Just going to poke around. I'm just going to take this PCB off so that we don't have to keep picking up that whole case to be able to try and diagnose where the problem is with this lead. Making sure that it definitely is that that's causing the problem. Okay, so at this point it became quite clear that there was more than a problem with the Joycon remote itself. It appeared that there was a problem with the Switch main console and the Joycon. So with the ribbon being unreliable and the connector on the Joycon not working and the connector on the Switch itself, fundamentally 3 different parts needed to be replaced. Now that wasn't really a massive problem, those parts are readily available and not particularly expensive. It is a little bit of a fiddly process, but it just seemed at that stage that it was the best option to take. So that's it, one working Nintendo Switch. That concludes this video, and I want to thank everybody for watching. Feel free to subscribe, comment, get in touch with me. I would love to have some new challenges. If anybody's got anything that they particularly want to see me work on, or anything that they want to find out a little bit more about or have a passion for, then let me know. Coming soon, I have a Commodore 64 that needs repairing. I've got the ZX Spectrum Plus 2 that I want to get the tape drive working on and play some games on that. I also want to have a look at the ZX Spectrum printer. And also we may have a Amstrad 256K word processing unit coming, which we'll take a look at as well. But for now, I want to say thank you very much for watching.